Hey guys, when it comes down to your volume, there's a few ways to turn it up and down. One of them is up here. Yep, this should work for you. But if you're having any issues or you can't for any reason, Xbox button, then go to your second option. And here, you guys will see this. So you guys can go on and just slide it so your volume's up or down. So you can turn it up or down, like here, press A on it, and you're done. That's how you guys can turn up your volume. Well, both ways you guys can do that for your volume right here on this. Anyways, that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.